Hey Hooper, it's Deanne Love here. Grab your twin hoops because we are going to be doing a twin hoop movement conditioning session. If you are really interested in twin flow, then I suggest you go over to learn.hooplovers.tv because I have the 21-day twin flow experience, and that is where we take a whole bunch of beautiful twin hooping tricks and we flow them together, and I break down all of the transitions and we do it over 21 days so you're building strength, coordination, and flow. But in this session, we're going to be going through 12 cycles, and each cycle will be 40 seconds that we work it, that we play with one move. If you need to modify, if you need to take it at your own pace, that is perfect. And then there's a 10-second rest in between where we get to have a little bit of a breather. This is going to be working on strengthening not only your twin moves, but your posture and your core strength. Twin hooping, it may look like it's all just upper body, but it is in fact full body. Balance from the feet. I don't even have any shoes on today so that I can feel really grounded and really balanced, bringing the energy up to my entire body. You can choose any size you like, remembering that the smaller the hoop, the faster it will spin. I'm probably going to go with these 90 centimeter Polypro, maybe the 80 centimeter. It's totally up to you. Grab your hoops. You're only going to need about the size of a yoga mat. So let's get started. Okay, Huba, how are you feeling after that? I would love to hear from you. Hopefully, you're bringing new movement, new sensation, and energy to all parts of your body, balancing through your feet, opening through your body, and then bringing strength and coordination to your upper body and your twin hooping. If there were any moves in there that you need support with, please let me know. But also head to learn.hooplovers.tv for the 21-day twin flow experience, because so many of those moves are broken down, but then also how to flow them and transition them into other moves so that you can continuously dance and play with these two hoops. Moving symmetrically is such a beautiful flow practice. So I hope that you will join me over there and come back to this conditioning session as many times as you need. Big hoop love from me to you. Mwah.